wabarakatuh. First, I would like to apologize for recording this video outside of the school and do it by myself. Due to my health issues, I don't have the energy to conduct the practical session. However, I have made every effort to fulfill my responsibility and complete my assessment. I sincerely apologize, sir, if it falls short of expectation, and I hope for your understanding. Okay. Psycholinguistic as an approach in language teaching. Psycholinguistic is the study of how language relate to the human mind. So when we learn or teach a language, we actually involve cognitive process such as how the brain understand, remember, and produce language. With a psycholinguistic approach, we can better understand how students process language information, allowing us to adjust our teaching method to match how their brains work. This makes the learning process more effective. Three language teaching method derived from psycholinguistic. Psycholinguistic has contributed to the development of three language teaching. First, there is the audiolingual method. This method focuses on representation and practice. For example, students listen to and repeat sentence pattern multiple times until they form a habit. The goal is for them to become accustomed to using correct language structure without having to think too much. Second, the communicative language teaching or CLT method. Here, the focus is on real communication. Students are encouraged to speak, discuss, uh, or do role plays. The goal is for them to use the language in everyday situations, such as having a conversation with friends or strangers. Third, total physical response. This method combines language learning with physical movement. Movement. For intention, when the teacher says stand up, student physical stand up. This way, language becomes easier to remember because it involves physical activity. Choosing the most preferred method personally, I prefer the communicative language teaching CLT method because this method is the most relevant to real-life situation. In language learning, our main goal is to be able to communicate with others. With CLT, students are directly encouraged to practice using the language in situations similar to everyday life. The advantage of the method include first, students become more confident in speaking. Two, they learn to think creative and spontaneously. And third, the activities are engaging and involve teamwork with their peers, creating a more lively classroom atmosphere. And for teaching technique using CLT. To use CLT, I will choose the role play technique example of implementation. I will give a situation such as ordering food at a restaurant. I will divide the student into small group, each consisting of 8 or 10 members. Some students will ask as customers while others will play the role of waiters. Step, I prepare a list of words or phrase that they can use, such as "Can I have the menu please?" or "What do you recommend?" Two, the student practice in small groups, trying to speak using the provided phrase. After that, they perform in front of the class, acting out their roles based on the given situation. I provide feedback on their pronunciation for fluence. Okay. With this technique, students learn to communicate practically. The classroom atmosphere becomes more enjoyable and they are better prepared to use the language in real life context. Thank you, sir, for your attention. I'm so sorry. Saya minta maaf atas video yang saya upload tidak sesuai dengan apa yang saya inginkan. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.